Welcome back, everybody. I just noted one thing that we didn't talk about the head tag yet. We just know that we just can put the title tag to the head, but there is something more we can put inside the head tag instead of only putting the title. So actually, every information we just want to send along with the browser, we just want to send to the server, or if we are just being serverless as we are just trying to be, so sending anything to the client, we just don't want to show in a browser any body, but we just want to send the information, any kind of information that can be maybe sites header info or sites base info, what is the site about, and the base URL and things like that. We just make that things inside the header, we just send that things inside the header. Means to show something we just use body, to send something we use the head in general. Okay, even if you're just relating some different files to this files, we use the head tag. I'm gonna guide you how. If we have different kind of style sheets, I'll be guiding you about the style sheets later on. So we use the link tag in this way. So the link tag we use inside the header in different things. We'll be talking about the link tag and the style sheets and in CSS chapter, no problem. So keep cool and keep calm and just watch what I'm just doing. And yeah, don't forget to try what I'm doing because it makes you perfect. So by the way, the meta tag is a very important part of the head. And why we use the meta tag? Because we just put the SEO information and the base of the website. Actually, SEO is what? The search engine optimization. So it works, it takes information from the website top area, from the website header, and absolutely the content too, because content is the king when we talk about the SEO. But the header, from the head tag, it takes information. The search engines takes information from the header, what a head tag, what the website all about, what the author name of the website, and etc, the description of the website, or specifically the web page. So I'm just in index.html, means I'm in the home page. So in index, I just want to put a name variable attribute, and inside the name attribute I'm just going to put the value, something like description. This description will be read by the different search engine robots. So the robot will come and just read the meta tag, which has the name's value as description. So it will take the content from there. This is the home page of a learning website. Okay, website. I'm just going to show you from where it comes. The description, I'm going to the browser to guide you about it. Duplicate it, and here I'm just going to the google.com. okay, line break, and here I'm here and I'm just searching something like ehow.com, a big website, by the way. Okay, I'm just clicking on ehow.com, how to. Okay, just duplicate and go back. And one thing I just want to show you first. Okay, wow, this is delicious, by the way. Go back, come on. Yeah, ehow.com. I'm just opening the ehow again. You can see that learn how to do. Go there, and I'm just going to the source code of the ehow.com, and here it is. Okay, you can see that the meta tags, a lot of meta tags like name, a lot of things here. And yeah, there's a description. Okay, the name description. Learn how to do just about everything at ehow. Okay, you can see that. Learn how to do anything at ehow, whatever. Find expert advices, whatever. We can see there is there. Okay, so this is how the description works and how the title works. Where's the title? The title. They have to put the title. They can't leave. Yeah, ehow, how to discover the expert in you, whatever. Ehow, how to discover the expert in you, ehow. Okay, so these things, this is a domain name, this is the title of the page, and this is the description of the page, and this description comes from the meta tag. So this is what I'm just teaching you. So now you can understand how important it is, how important the meta tags. There are some more meta tags now Google doesn't recognize, but I'm just telling you because it's a part of the thing. The keyword keywords was the very important thing, but now Google doesn't recognize that, but you just can make them like that. Homepage, learning, blah 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 blah. This is a way to just make the keywords. By the way, the meta tag name author, here we're just bringing the name of the author, the content, Shahzaib Kamal. Okay, the author is Shahzaib Kamal, and the meta tag is there. Now in a header tag of the website, now the browser knows the author name, the description, and the keyword. However, the Google is not recognizing this, but at least browser knows about it. So this is how it works, and this is how the head tag work. I'm just telling you about a few things. There is a lot of things you can do inside the head tag, like putting the Google Analytics, putting the Facebook information, and whatever things you just want to do. Later we'll be learning about a lot of things, so we will be using the head tag. So stay tuned and goodbye.